I always follow Kitten Lady feeding chart, and she's got newborn 2 to 6 mil. Now I've got kitten collars, but I'm not going to put the kitten collars on. Now I've got black white spot, 98 grams, so that's one. And I feel like they're too young to put a collar on. And I've also got Eva to look at, Ruby to look after as well. Just to take a collar off so she can eat and drink. Right, so what's this little one who's not eating? Oh, what am I going to cook? Maybe I need the kitten collars. Oh my goodness, how am I going to tell them? So that's black with white spot on his back. Oh, okay, so I'll put in black. White spot. Side. Right, let's see what he weighs. Oh, he does switch off after a while. Yeah. I suppose it's not. Oh my goodness, he's only 77. Okay, so I'm going to try and feed him. So he's got to have 2 mil. He's only tiny. So we're just going to give him 2 mil. Because he's teeny tiny. We're just getting him kick started in. Yeah, this isn't my speciality, feeding kittens. I'm not very good at it. I'm seriously not. I don't want nothing happen to these little babies. So he's just had 2 mil because he's dead tiny. So all I'll give him is 2 mil. So we've got white spot on side, white spot on back, and maybe right, so we're going to call him Stripe. Okay, black Stripe. Maybe I should get my kitten collars out, I don't know. So we're going to call him Stripe, okay? Right, so Stripe. Oh, he's 75. So again, we're going to give him 2 mil. Just getting the taste buds ready. So what I'm going to do is try to get the black ones done first. So that's that one, that one, that one. Black spot, yes, I've got them. Right, who else isn't feeding? This one isn't feeding. Right, so it's these 3 I'm worried about. The others are actually... Which one did I save? Weren't here. It's alright, Duck. I'm not taking them anywhere. So he seems to be feeding. It's these 3 I'm worried about. These 3 here. That's them three. So let's get her. Right, so she's Torty. I've seen her feed. She's good. She's one I won't keep. Torty Blackhead, we're going to call her. Blackhead. Torty Blackhead. Let me put you with her, so you... Right, so we're going to call her Torty Blackhead. I'll switch it off. I'm not used to muzzle scales. Used to have to press it every second. Right, okay. Torty Blackhead. Oh, she's 99. So I've just spilt all my milk over. Oh my god. Right, now I've got to get some more milk. One, two. I've done half of them. I've just spilt all my milk over on the floor. Okay, come here, come here. Which one are you? What do I call her? She's got a blackhead as well. Lighter. Okay, so we've got Torty, Lighter, Blackhead. I know we all love those blackheads that we have to squeeze, so let's put her on there. Oh, she's 91. And I'm running out of milk now because it's just spilt all over the carpet. Oh, more cleaning do now. I'm just have enough here because I only have 2 mils. So let's just give her 2 mils. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 3 more due now. The others seem to be holding their own, so I'm not so much worried about it, to be honest, with the others. See, I've got a few of the weights. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, I've got 5 of the weights. What's this one? She's the Torty Lighthead. She's the Torty. Oh, I haven't done her. So there's 3 Torties. Torty Blackhead, Torty Greyhead, and Torty Creamhead. But she's, so I'll write her down. Torty Creamhead, Torty Creamhead. But she's eating, so I'm not going to disturb her because she's eating. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's another 2 more. Actually, I know I just spilled that milk, but it doesn't matter because they're only having 2 mils. Because I follow Kitten Lady and 2 to 6 mils. So we only give them 2 mils because you don't want to flood the lungs. Okay, so I'm going to now cover her up. Let her enjoy her kittens, and I've got some idea of what some way.